bowling all-rounder, right arm fast, right arm batsman. He is a very good player. Anyone interested is a best prize is 3,000. Quality Srinivas Reddy, all-rounder. Anyone? Quality Srinivas Reddy, best prize is 3,000. Anyone interest? Total prize 3,000. Total prize 3,000. Total prize 3,000. Alpha Warriors 3,500. Alpha Warriors 3,500. Alpha Warriors 3,500. Total prize 4,000. Royal Warriors 4,500. Royal Warriors 4,500. Alpha Warriors 5,000. Alpha Warriors 5,000. Total prize 5,500. Total Royals 5,500. Alpha Warriors 6,000. Alpha Warriors 6,000. Anyone? Powerhouse. Total Royal Rules 6,500. Alpha Warriors 7,000. Alpha Warriors 7,000. Podredi Srinivas Reddy. Alpha Warriors 7,000. First call. Chase Masters 7,500. Chase Masters 7,500. Total Royals 8,000. Alpha Warriors 8,500. Alpha Warriors 8,500. Total Royals 9,000. Total Royals 9,000. First call. Alpha Warriors 9,500. Alpha Warriors 9,000. Total Royals 10,000. Total Royals 10,000. Alpha Warriors 10,500. Total Royals 11,000. Total Royals 11,000. Alpha Warriors 11,500. Alpha Warriors 11,500. Total Royals 12,000. Alpha Warriors 12,500. Alpha Warriors 12,500. Total Royals 13,000. Alpha Warriors 13,500. Alpha Warriors 13,500. First call. Total Royals 40,000. Total Royals 40,000. Anyone interest? Podredi Srinivas Reddy, bowling all-rounder. This standing up. Total Royals 14,000. First call. This Chase Masters 40,500. Alpha Warriors 15,000. Royal Devils 15,500. Total Royals 16,000. Total Royals 16,000. Alpha Warriors 16,500. Royal Devils 17,000. Royal Devils 17,000. Chase Masters 17,500. Chase Masters 17,500. Alpha Warriors 18,000. Alpha Warriors 18,000. Chase Masters 18,500. Total Royals 19,000. Total Royals 19,000. First call. Total Royals 19,000. Chase Masters 19,500. Alpha Warriors 20,000. Alpha Warriors 20,000. Anyone interest? Alpha Warriors Total Royals 20,500. Chase Masters 21,000. Chase Masters 21,000. Okay. Total Royals 21,500. Royal Devils 22,000. Chase Masters 22,500. Chase Masters 22,500. First call. Podredi Srinivas Reddy, bowling. Total Royals 23,000. Total Royals is against pitting now. Chase Masters 23,500. Chase Masters 23,500. First call. Total Royals 24,000. Total Royals Chase Masters 24,500. Podredi Srinivas Reddy standing at 24,500 in Chase Masters. Masters 25,500. 25,500 Chase Masters. Powerhouse. They're thinking. Phoenix Legends. Potamros 26,000. Chase Master 26,500. Chase Master 26,500. First call Potamros 26,000. 27,000. Already seen us already. And Chase Masters 27,500. Chase Masters 27,500. First call Potam Rollers 28,000. Chase Masters 28,500. Potam Rollers 29,000. Chase Masters 29,500. Potam Chase Masters 29,500. First call Potretti Seniors standing up. Potam Rollers 30,000. 30,000. First call Potam Rollers standing up. Potretti Seniors 30,000. Chase Masters 30,500. Chase Masters 30,500. First call Chase Masters 30,000. Royal Davis 31,000. Royal Davis 31,000. Chase Masters 31,500. Potam Rollers 32,000. Potam Chase Masters 32,500. Chase Masters 32,500. Chase Masters 32,500. First call Potretti Seniors ready. Standing up Chase Masters 32,500. Second call Chase Masters Potam Rollers 33,000. Royal Davis 33,500. The Powerhouse 34,000. The Powerhouse 34,000. First call Chase Masters 34,500. Chase Masters 34,500. First call Potam Rollers 35,000. Potretti Seniors is bidding now. Chase Masters 35,500. Chase Masters 35,500. Phoenix Legends 36,000. Phoenix Legends 36,000. First call. Anyone? Potretti Seniors ready. Chase Masters 36,500. Standing up Chase Masters 36,500. Potretti Seniors ready. First call. Anyone interest? Second call. Chase Masters standing up. Potam Rollers 37,000. Royal Davis 37,500. Chase Masters 38,000. Potretti Seniors standing up. Chase Masters 38,000. Phoenix Legends 38,500. Phoenix Legends 38,500. First call Phoenix Legends Chase Masters 39,000. Chase Masters 39,000. First call Chase Masters 39,000. Second call last and final Royal Davis 39,500. Chase Masters 40,000. Phoenix Legends 40,500. Phoenix Legends 40,500. First call Potretti Seniors standing on. Chase Masters 41,000. Chase Masters 41,000. He's standing up. Chase Masters Potretti Seniors ready. First call 41,000. Chase Potretti Seniors ready. First call 41,000. Royal Davis 41,500. Royal Davis 41,500. Chase Masters 42,000. Chase Masters 42,000. He's a bowling all-rounder. All teams are fighting very high. Standing with Chase Masters 42,000. First call. Chase Masters 42,000. Second call. 42,500. First call. Royal Airways 42,500. Chairmaster 43,000. Chairmaster 43,000. First call. Anyone interest? Poguletti Srinivas Reddy. Poguletti Srinivas 43,000. Standing is Chairmaster second call. Anyone interest? Poguletti Srinivas Reddy. Royal Airways 43,500. Royal Airways 43,500. Royal Airways first call 43,500. Chairmaster 44,000. Chairmaster 44,000. He is the highest bidding present now. Poguletti Srinivas Reddy 44,000. Standing is Chairmaster first call. Poguletti Srinivas Reddy 44,000. Second call. Royal Airways 44,500. Royal Airways 44,000. Chairmaster 45,000. First call. Chairmaster 45,000. Anyone? Second call. Chairmaster 40,000. Royal Airways 45,500. Royal Airways 45,500. First call. Royal Airways 45,000. Chairmaster 46,000. Royal Airways 46,500.
Poguletti Srinivas Reddy 46,000. Chairmaster 46,000. Chairmaster first call. Poguletti Srinivas Reddy 46,000. Chairmaster. Anyone? Royal Airways 46,500. Poguletti Srinivas Reddy. Poguletti Srinivas Reddy 46,500. Royal Airways first call. Chairmaster Poguletti Srinivas Reddy 47,000. Chairmaster 47,000. Poguletti Srinivas Reddy. The bowling all-rounder. Your first call. Poguletti Srinivas Reddy 47,000. Chairmaster first call. Royal Airways 40,000. 47,500. Royal Airways Poguletti Srinivas Reddy first call. Poguletti Srinivas Reddy 47,500. Royal Airways Chairmaster 48,000. Chairmaster 48,000. Poguletti Srinivas Reddy bowling all-rounder. Anyone interest? First call. Anyone interest? Chairmaster Poguletti Srinivas Reddy 48,000. Royal Airways 48,500. Royal Airways 48,500. Your first call. Highest bidding Poguletti Srinivas Reddy. Chairmaster 49,000. Chairmaster 49,000. Poguletti Srinivas Reddy. Highest bidding. The first call. Chairmaster 49,000. Chairmaster first call. Royal Airways 49,500. Poguletti Srinivas Reddy. Chairmaster 50,000. The highest bidding 50,000. Poguletti Srinivas Reddy. The bowling all-rounder. Royal Airways 50,500. Royal Airways 50,500. Poguletti Srinivas Reddy bowling all-rounder 50,500. The first call. Chairmaster 51,000. Chairmaster 51,000. Poguletti Srinivas Reddy bowling all-rounder right arm fast. The first call. Chairmaster 51,000. Poguletti Srinivas Reddy. Royal Airways 51,500. Poguletti Srinivas Reddy. Royal Airways 51,500. First call. Second call. Royal Airways 51,500. Chairmaster 52,000. Poguletti Srinivas Reddy. Chairmaster 52,000. The first call. Anyone interest? Poguletti Srinivas Reddy. Second call 52,000. Prize winners 15,500. The first one, Dr. T. Srinivas Reddy, bowling all-rounder. Chain masters 53,000. IOS meeting. Chain masters 53,000. First one, Dr. T. Srinivas Reddy, chain masters 53,000. Second one, prize winners 53,500. Dr. T. Srinivas Reddy, first one. The bowling all-rounder Dr. T. Srinivas Reddy. Second round, 53,500. Second round, the power 54,000. Dr. T. Srinivas Reddy 54,000. First round, Dr. T. Srinivas Reddy 50,000. 54,500 ordinance. 54,500 ordinance. The first round, Dr. T. Srinivas Reddy 54,500.